If you're looking for a 4-camera system to set up on your house or your shop, which has 4 wireless cameras, solar panels built in, and a super easy setup, and check this out. It's an ANSQUE GU01 4-camera kit. What sets this aside is you set the cameras up outside, you don't have to wire them at all. It's solar powered. Then it wirelessly goes to the main box and it records. It has built-in 32 gigabyte memory, and you can monitor it for free or you can get cloud service. So let's see what's in the box. Have our quick start guide. Looks like charging cables, mounting blocks for the cameras, a LAN cable. Looks like the base unit. A power block for the main control unit. And 4 cameras with the solar panel built on. These are pan and tilt cameras with digital zoom. It has color night vision and infrared, motion detection, and auto tracking. The mounting bases for the camera has 3 screw holes. It also has this little clip here, so when you mount it and you push the camera on, it'll actually click on. And if you want it more secure, there's screw holes up there to lock them in place. So let's start by using the camera setup QR code here. Finish your registration process and confirm your email. So the home base is not wireless, so we're going to hook up our LAN cable to our router. Right, Gizmo? So we are plugged into the router. First thing you got to do is allow nearby devices. Scan the QR code on the base unit. Then select the device that you want to add. Then it tells you to power up each camera. So we're going to press and hold the power button underneath here for 5 seconds until you hear hello.
Hello.
You might be trying to track me right now. Now we got to press the sync button. Home base will search for your camera. When it finds your camera, it'll show up on the camera list. So it looks like it found that one. I gotta turn the rest of these on. Then once they're all attached, we'll figure out where we want to put them.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
So all 4 cameras are bound to the home unit. You can opt in for some cloud service if you'd like. And next it says it's going to need firmware upgrades, so we'll do that. Let's figure out where to put these while it's doing firmware upgrades. Well, it looks like I'm getting some notifications, and if you drop down it shows you a screenshot of a notification. When you go into the settings on each camera, it'll give you a walkthrough for setting it up and naming the camera. So before we install these outside, we should definitely charge them up fully. And make sure you put that rubber cover over that port so it's waterproof, weatherproof.
A few moments later.
All charged up. Ended up mounting it here. I tried mounting it up there on that hardy board. Would have been hitting the roof there. Put it here. Don't know how much sun it's gonna get, but we'll see. So I got one on this corner, one on that corner. These are south side, they're gonna get plenty of sun. And these are on the north side of the house. We'll see how they charge. Let's see how the app works. Alright, so let's see how these cameras turned out. Bump it up or down. Then you can click to generate a panorama shot. Now the neat thing about this, you can click on the panorama on the photo if you wanted to go to there. So let's click there. That's pretty neat, right? And click to the left where my driveway comes in. Maybe a little more. And it even does up and down. That's crazy. As you can see, we're in UHD, which is 2K. Let's go into the setting of the camera. I'm going to rename this SE Solar Cam. That's good enough. We'll go back again. This one is my northeast, so I'm going to rename that NE Solar Cam. We'll go to this one. That's the wife. We'll bump it down. Click panorama view on that. And we will rename that one Northwest Solar Cam. One more to go. Panoramic shot. Wait, we'll rename this one Southwest Solar Cam. I guess wherever you leave it is its home spot. I was looking for home. You could talk. Set permissions. Hello. You can change it from SD to UHD. You have your playback. You can record what you're watching. You can crop, which means you're saving a photo. And you can mute. Why does it say setup incomplete? Let's see. So we're going to select work type, which is intelligent. 2 to 3 meters above the ground, which it is. Perfect for installation. I have a strong signal. I installed it. Confirm the angle. Continue. And you don't have to go all the way into the camera. You can hit settings right here. Setup is incomplete. So we'll set this one up. Intelligent. Good signal. Almost full. Done. So you can do multi-view. See how that loads. That's to select how many cameras you want to watch at once. Then you have smart security. So you can do away mode, home, turn off device, turn on devices. You can organize what order you want the devices by clicking that. Let's see how playback is. So we'll go to this one. Northwest. Click the playback button. There's the wife. So when I was doing panoramic setup, download that video so I could show you what it looks like. So let's go into Northwest Camera again, click into motion detection, go down to sensitivity, adjust automatically. I turned on. Check the second one. This one I did not turn on yet. We'll hit automatically adjust sensitivity, turn them all on. Camera on, so you can turn it on and off. Auto alarm. It'll set an alarm off when it sees motion. We don't want that. Notification. We have push notification immediately. And all the event types are on. Cloud recording. We did not purchase. But if you'd like, it's there. Video and audio. You have 2K. Automatic switching based on ambient light level for night vision. You could turn a white light aided illumination on or turn off infrared light. Two-way talk speakers up all the way, and record sound is on all of them. Battery management, we're at 100%. Doing intelligent detection mode. Schedule sleep, I have disabled. LED light is on. You could set this up to access through Amazon or Google. About device, home base information, firmware updates, which we did. Quick start guide tells you how to do it through the steps. And other settings, save events as a snapshot. That's on. And you can remove the device. Let's see what a few of these motion recorded videos look like.
Yeah, and then we'll go to PetSmart. It's not swamped.
This is what the notifications will look like on your phone on an Android. Now let's see what this looks like at night. This thing was a snap to set up. Super easy. Oh, the tortoise is running away. Oh, there's two tortoises. Sorry, buddy. I didn't know you guys are going to hang out. See, it says Northeast Solar Cam detecting someone appearing. That's me. So you could do quick replies. It didn't work that time. Hey, kitty. Are you watching those tortoises? Now see, this voice alert has a list. That time it didn't. See how loud that is.
Please put the package at the door. Please put the package at the door. Thank you.
And it has...
Hey, what are you doing here? Hey, what are you doing here?
That's pretty loud.
Please get out of here now. Get out of here now.
So you can do that with it. Let me see why the other one doesn't have that. Oh, see, it's there now. That's weird.
Please put the package at the door. Please put the package at the door. Thank you.
So that's just another neat feature I wanted to show you. And under that fold, you can turn tracking on and off. So now it has cross camera tracking events. So it stacks them up here. Pretty good. So if you're looking for a 4-camera system, pretty moderately priced, packed with a lot of features, you don't have to run any wires. It comes with a base unit, and that base unit actually is a powerful extender, it says, to get to these cameras. Now you can mount these on the trees. As far as you get a signal, when you're setting it up, it'll show you in the app. Basically put it anywhere, because it's wireless and it's solar. So if you're looking for something that's wireless and solar, and it comes 4-camera system with that extender, I'll put the link down below. But they work pretty darn good. Right, Gizmo? Someone's got to mow the grass. We're going to see how this performs. I'll do an update on this in a few months to see how the battery holds up on the north side. And thanks for watching. Links down below.
Hey, Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.